Everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Sunday! We are doing some late night videos tonight. Time change. It's 7:16, but it's really 8:16. This is messing me up. It is way too dark right now. It got dark at like 5 o'clock. It's really feeling like fall. So what did I do today? I brought out Tom. Oh my gosh. Bath and Body Works. I was out and about today. I still was finishing up doing some volunteer work, and then I went to Bath and Body Works. I went to Victoria's Secret. I have a whole big. Where'd it go? It's around here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Victoria's Secret haul coming up next. I got some of the new stuff, and then I looked at my calendar and went, Thanksgiving is 2 weeks from Thursday. I was like, wait a minute. Oh my gosh. So I brought Tom out. Remember Tom, the Thanksgiving turkey at Bath and Body Works? I got my coffee candle, freshly brewed coffee. In Tom. I love this as a home decor piece. There's nothing for Thanksgiving this year. I'm like, a couple of little things, but where is Thanksgiving? We did not get a body care line. White pumpkin and chai. That Applewood one. I don't know. There's like, I've heard nothing for Thanksgiving. And when I was in my store today, I couldn't even find twisted peppermint in the shower gel. Things are starting to sell out. So I'm assuming they're getting like more in, obviously, but Christmas is literally flying off the shelves. So we got some sales coming up. I'll talk about that. I got some wallflowers. I want to talk about that. Speaking of Thanksgiving, oh my gosh. I spent the entire afternoon working with Lenny because guess what? I'm so excited. We have a Thanksgiving tee and hoodie. I'm going to put a screenshot up right here. It is called Giving Thanks. Instead of Thanksgiving, we wanted to do Giving Thanks. It's a nice play on words, and I just think it really represents the spirit of Thanksgiving. So Lenny sketched this out. He sketches everything out. It takes him a couple hours to do a sketch, and then I turn it into a graphic, and then both of us work on the colorings. We spent hours working on this. So the G is for the pumpkin pie. The V is the turkey, the green is like a vegetable, and then the G is the cranberry sauce, and then the thanks, the table legs, they have like a wood grain in them, and then the candles, of course. So this shirt is available, it's unisex, in both a t-shirt and a hoodie on bodleo.com. Head over there and check it out. I'm so excited. We have a Thanksgiving t-shirt that's so representative of like the spirit of the holidays. So we got that. And then my haul. So a couple of things. I got a free plug because I wanted to just get one for this year. I really like the snowflake. I don't know. It's just like calling my name. I'm like, that's actually really cute. And then I got 5 of the wallflower refills. Today, $2.95. No, what is it? $2.75 or $2.95? I think it's $2.75. I was like, I forgot the price. This ends in store right now, and then it'll go to like 6 tomorrow morning. I like the new bags, by the way. They're so cute. They're like real Christmassy. So the funny thing is, I actually smelled all of these because I was talking to Lenny and we were working and I like was opening these because I wanted to smell them. I was really curious about the raspberry thumbprint. We got a problem with raspberry thumbprint. This is probably the grossest smell I have smelled in I don't know how long. This is so weird. I love the candle. Raspberry thumbprint in the candle smells like raspberry cookies. Oh my gosh, my gingerbread man just fell. My poor gingerbread man. That's actually Coco's toy. I took it from her. So, oh my goodness, this smells so rancid to me. And I have no idea why. There's just something about this. It smells like rancid jam. I almost can't even smell it. It's nauseating. I don't know. Did anyone get raspberry thumbprint in the wallflower? Because This is a Scooby-Doo mystery like times 10. What is going on with this one? It's awful. I was so excited to get this one, and it's just gross. So, I also got pistachio and toasted vanilla. I love this one. I feel like this one is better than the candle. It's more nutty. Like, there's something in the candle that I like, but it just is missing that full-on nuttiness. I get it in the wallflower, so go figure. Let's see. I got, cinnamon stick. I love the cinnamon stick. This is so Christmassy. This one is beautiful, so I got that for, Christmas, Thanksgiving. I love this one. Next up, I got strawberry snowflakes. I think this is my favorite of the grouping that I got today. You cannot go wrong with strawberry snowflakes. This smells like a whipped, like, strawberry dessert. I don't know. I love this one. I think this is going to be really nice, like, in my living room. I'm so excited about this one. And then the final one that I got today is the cinnamon caramel swirl. I got this one. I like the cinnamon bun smell in the kitchen. Oh yeah, this one's beautiful. So I got this one. I'm so excited. I actually got to the sale today. I didn't think I was going to make it. I had so much to do this weekend. So I was so happy that I got in. Tried to believe it or try it, love it. Sale on, I believe, Wednesday. I don't know what's going on tomorrow at Bath & Body Works. We shall find out. I have so much Christmas stuff to review, so I'm just going to start digging in tomorrow, reviewing a lot of Christmas stuff. I've got Black Friday tips coming up. I've got Cyber Monday, all kinds of sales. And then this weekend, I think we're supposed to have the body cream lotion sale. I don't know the price point yet. As soon as I find out, I will let you guys know. But I got to say, where is the Thanksgiving? Oh, I got to get to Walmart too. I got to get all that Dove stuff. Peppermint bark. I got to get my hands on that and review it for you guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone's having a good day today. I will see you a little bit later. Bye-bye.